Okay, we've got a request for number 43 from 0.2. It looks something like this, and we are supposed to write the piecewise function rule for this graph. So here it is. It looks like it's two pieces. They both look like they are lines. So I'm going to begin with f of x is equal to, get my little brace over here and get ready to write the different formulas. So first up, this line. What is the equation of that line? Well, it has a y-intercept at 2. So that's the b in the y equals mx plus b. And then the slope looks like it goes down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. So what I can look at there then is a slope of -1. So it looks to me like the first rule is going to be negative x plus 2. So what I'm really doing right here is looking at y equals negative x plus 2, slope of -1, y-intercept of 2. And then in a piecewise function, we have to tell the reader where exactly this function rule applies. And it applies from x equals 0 to x equals 2, but 0 is not included since we have the open circle, and 2 is included since we have the closed circle. So this is going to be all x's between 0 and 2, but 2 is included and 0 is not. Okay, let's move on to the second piece. So here, I don't have the y-intercept, but I'm going to kind of dash it in and imagine where it might be. So I think the easy part is to get the slope, down 1, over 1, 2, 3. So it looks to me like the slope is -1/3 minus 1/3 x, and then we need that y value. Well, let's give this a shot. So I know that the function looks like y equals -1/3 x plus some y value b. I'm trying to figure out what that number is. And we know also that the point 5, 0 exists on the graph. So maybe we can plug in 5, 0 and figure out what b is. So in place of y goes 0. In place of x goes 5. And that's going to give me 0 is equal to -5/3 plus b, which means that b is positive 5/3, so plus 5/3. And then where does it exist? Well, it starts at 2 and goes on to 5. 2 is not included, 5 is. So 2 is less than x is less than or equal to 5, and that's everything.